Hi everyone, I am sorry to say or not that the society, companies, people, procedures are inefficient, incompetent. I think it is not new. For the story, I bought product online because the supermarket close to where I live don't sell the soap I want anymore. The parcel tracking indicates that my package has been delivered in the mailbox the 8th June, whereas I got nothing in the mailbox, no one rang my doorbell, and I didn't receive any call from the delivery person. So, few days later, I entered a complaint directly online on the parcel tracking of the delivery company about my package. I waited 7 days to receive an answer from the delivery company, problem not solved. From them, the package has been delivered. I contacted by email the shop. They asked me to fill a paper and to send them, which I did by email. They said they cannot open a complaint because it was not on the delay. The fun thing is if you don't exige a refund or credit, they will do nothing, zero intuition. I finally got a discount code, but after 2 weeks and many emails after spending time in Milo, SI and SE. I use all my functions, I use my lower function, and they don't. The censor, if you don't ask directly to them what you want, they will never give it to you. The intuitive, you don't need to ask them anything. They facilitate your life, they give you what you want and need directly. They put themselves in your mind. I also use my NE, extroverted intuition. I think the delivery person never delivered the package. They keep it for them, they stole it. They must have been disappointed to see it was soap and not perfume, expensive product. Or the delivery person put the package in top of all the mailbox and a neighbor took it, stole it. Or the delivery person delivered the package at the wrong address and wrong person. SI only believe what they see, what is indicated, ignore the problem, bypass the problem, don't want to see the problem, they don't feel responsible, they have low NE, they ignore the problem is outside of their mind, external to them, because they don't notice, don't imagine the possible problem, don't connect the dot, don't think by themselves, they have to follow blindly a procedure done by someone else, they copy, imitate the step, but the problem is not always solved. I find them stupid, blind to intuition, they just follow the procedure and time, step by step, without never questioning anything. They don't see further, they don't go to the source or root of thing and problem. What SI want, you contact the shop, they ask you to fill a paper to send them, the shop contacts the delivery service or company to open a complaint and after carry out an investigation. And what the INTJ do, they open a complaint directly to the delivery service. They are already 2 steps ahead or more. NITE go to the source of the problem directly. They don't care of the step, they skip the step. The steps are useless and a waste of time and energy. SI complicate everything, your procedure complicate everything and never solve the problem because you never see the problem, you are just an NPC. And what a mature INTJ Enneagram 5 who integrated their 8 or TE really want to do, to be in contact with the delivery person and tell them how they don't do their job, will teach them how to do their job correctly. It is not complicated to deliver a package. You open the mailbox and you put the package inside. Or you ring or knock at the door, you call the person and you give them their package in their hand. It is me who have a disability and the valid person is not capable to deliver a package. Most of people would be very angry in this situation. They are lucky that I don't express anger or any other feeling in a feeling way. I don't care to receive apologies. I don't care that when people say they are sorry, it do nothing to me. I am FEE blind. I just want the problem to be solved and that they don't happen anymore to anyone in the future. If people come with apology or excuse, better for them to come with a solid explanation and action. Sometimes it is a gift to be FE blind, to be INTJ, to stay calm in every situation, and to have a good self-control. I wasted 2 weeks by waiting and went into my SI demon and SE inferior, and I will again. An INTJ, mature INTJ, will do everything to solve a problem and will never give up until the problem is solved. Because NI dom, the problem stay in our mind and never disappear until the problem is solved. Being an INTJ, gifted, Asperger, ADHD, is really a torture, a suffering sometimes. I have the impression that I am the only one who notice all the problem, who have all the solution, but I cannot do anything because people don't want to communicate, don't listen, don't want to understand, are not open, not receptive, are immature, don't want to take action. I am sorry to say, or not, but the society has to be destroyed and rebuilt from zero. INTJ will live with a feeling, or rather with a thought, that the world should not be like this. It is not our world, not our planet, until one day we understand that we are like this, we have this cognitive function stack, because our job is to improve the world and people, and it is a difficult role to be an anidom. It is perfectly understandable that INTJ wants the world domination. We have the cognitive function stack to build the best society, or rather the best world. We want to simplify everything, simplify people's life, solve all the problem, take action, so the problem never reproduce again in the future. We know what it is to suffer, and we don't want people to go through the same. We want to save their time, energy and health. We are here to help the world and people, but almost no one listens to us. They ignore us, reject us, don't care of us. Even the other INTJ, when immature, they don't care of other INTJ. A proof that no one cares, and almost no one cares about me. For example, I often leave comments on other channels, I support them, and they never come and leave me a comment in return. I bet they even never watch my video, or maybe I think and function too differently that almost no one understands me. I connect with almost no one, I am too different. This world is just unfair. More you make stupid and useless video, more you get comments and likes, more you make useful, helpful and smart video, more you are invisible. More mature and spiritually evolved you are, more invisible you are. Thanks to the one who support me, I share my insight for free and spend my time and energy to help people for free. I torture my mind for people for free. When you are very aware and when you know well the cognitive function, you will see that every situation in life can be explained and solved with the knowledge of the 8 cognitive function and the 16 psychological type. Why I did this video? Maybe it was me, or maybe not, because ranting and complain, it is not my natural functioning. After recording this video, I just got an insight, a difference between FE and TE. FE complain and TE explain. So this video was not a rant or a complaint, but it was just an explanation. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video. FE complain, TE explain. A difference between FE and TE. FI complain, TE explain.